Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in this gated estate that is in Ongata Rongai. And before we get started, some of you complained that I get burned by sun when I'm shooting outside. So I'm going to wear this. As you can see, the estate is beautiful. Each home comes with a separate color, and this is the entrance to the whole estate. This estate is exactly 300 meters from the tarmac and exactly 5 minutes from Rongai town. That is for the three of you who say that Rongai is in Tanzania. As you can see, each home comes with a separate compound like this one, but the whole estate has been surrounded by a perimeter wall, a gauge wire, and a 24 hours surveillance system. At the entrance of each home, you have a metal casement gate that gives you an access to your unit. As you can see from there, this estate gives you a homeliness environment. From there, you can see that each unit comes with a 2-car parking, but if you like to squeeze your cars, you can get up to 3 cars in this space. On the opposite side, you have your green area, and it also acts as the front yard. But on this case, you have this small bike that magnifies the beauty of this area. On the opposite side, you have the entrance porch of these units, and it comes with these sections that have been created for your greenery. Let's get inside. Wow, I like how the living room looks. As you know, I get excited by very stupid things. First, the size of these windows is on another level. I like their sizes, and I like it that the developer was able to make sure that the living room is getting maximum natural light. During the night, you will get your light from this center light, some several recessor lights, and you have some side lights. Secondly, I like the distribution of colors on these gypsum ceilings. Who thinks these things? Anyway, it's beautiful and I like it. On the far end of the living room, you have the dining area. And as you can see it from there, the separation between the dining area and the living room is very thin. The dining area has only been marked by the wash basin on this side and a small mirror, but if you do not like a dining area in your home, you can use all this space as your living room. I like it that the dining area opens to the kitchen through this big rectangular access, and it gives you a very good view to the whole kitchen. All homes in this gated estate come with one access, and that access can be used to access all the other areas. From here, you can access the primary bedroom on my left-hand side. The 2 kids' bedrooms are on my right-hand side, and also you can access the kitchen from here. Just start over there. Right now, you are seeing me from the dining area, and this home gives you a very good way for you to chat with the people in the kitchen while you are resting in the dining space. The kitchen comes with numerous lower cabinet, but I am not happy because it only comes with one set of upper cabinets. This is where you will do your cooking area, and your refrigerator will be kept on my far front. This home comes with a double sink next to the window and with a tilting faucet. You also get a heated and a cooled water taps. The door on my left hand side will take you to the laundry area and the clotheslines area. Let's see that. This is what you get as a laundry area, and these metal tubes have been used to raise your 1,000-liter water tank to create a pressure difference. On the opposite side, the area has been modified to act as your clotheslines area. I'll take you back inside. From the laundry area through the kitchen, let's see the bedrooms. As I mentioned earlier, the primary bedroom is on my far left. Come with me. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and this is the space that will be used by you and your partner. The space is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed or a 6x6 bed. One thing that is not very nice is that this window is not the biggest, but I like it that the developer made sure that the gypsum ceilings were very well done. This bedroom comes with a mini walk-in closet that is next to me, and next to it you have the primary bathroom. On this side, you have one set of the walk-in closet and the other set is on the opposite side. As you can see, it has been done very well. At the center of the primary bathroom, you have a wash basin. This side has been set aside for your showering and the opposite side has been reserved for your bathroom, and it comes with a WC. That's all for this bedroom. Let's see the kids' bedroom. Come with me. Before we get there, you have the common washroom, and it's here. One thing that is very interesting about this developer is that the washrooms are way bigger than standard. Most developers tend to give you very tiny washrooms. The first kids' bedroom is here. This is the second kids' bedroom. As you can see, the kids' bedroom is big, and I think this one is targeting your bigger kids. It comes with its window on this side, and on the opposite side, you have its closet. The closet is not the biggest, but this is good just to make sure you limit your budget of shopping. Next to me, you have your bathroom to this bedroom. It is not the biggest, but it comes with a wash basin, a water closet, and this space has been reserved for your showering. Let's see the second kids' bedroom. The second kids' bedroom is the tiniest, and I think it is targeting your kids who are doing CBC. It comes with a tiny closet, a tiny window, and a tiny bathroom. This bedroom can also be used as the guest bedroom or the employee quarters. That's all for these bedrooms. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow us on TikTok. If you would want to buy this home, it is 8.7 million. As usual, our numbers have been attached in the first comment. In the meantime, I'll teach myself how to ride this bike. Bye-bye.